It's placement season, 500 students, one hall, the same handful of offers. And almost everyone here is making the exact same mistake. Your batch group chat is on fire, shortlisted, ghosted, anyone heard back? Refresh, refresh, refresh. Sound familiar? Keep watching, because this gets uncomfortable. Here's the formula you were sold: degree plus certifications equals offer. Except lately, that equation keeps ending in a question mark. Here's the challenge. One opening for a procurement analyst. 500 applications in 72 hours. Your resume is one card in that stack. Now look at it from the recruiter's side, a dashboard of near-identical candidates, same colleges, same courses, same keywords, scrolling past in seconds. 3 resumes, side by side, same degree, same certificates, same line, familiar with AI tools. If everyone says it, nobody stands out. Because here's what you don't know. The hiring question quietly changed. Nobody asks what you know anymore. That question just got crossed out. The new question is simpler and much harder. Show me what you've built. Not your marks. Not your certificates. Your actual, working proof. So be honest with yourself for a second. Do you actually know if you're employable? Not hope, not assume, actually know, with evidence. Employers already know. They score you against a rubric you've never seen. Stay till the end, because you're about to see it. So who's getting selected? Students who show up with their own AI operating system. A living setup that works while they sleep. Look at this GitHub, real commits, week after week, organized folders, working projects, 30 seconds here says more than any resume ever will. Here's one of those projects. A spend analysis that runs itself, pulling supplier data and writing the brief before the analyst finishes coffee. Do the math on that pile of applications. 500 go in, barely 5 arrive with proof of work. That's the top 1%. This is exactly what the U2X AI journey builds. It starts with a mirror, not a lecture. 9 courses, 1 working system at the end. First, the readiness sprint, 20 minutes, and you get your employability score on the same rubric employers use, no guessing, just a number. Then Claude Code, from absolute zero. No coding background needed. If you can write a sentence, you can build your first automation this week. Step by step, your personal AI operating system takes shape, your files, your skills, your terminal, running your actual coursework instead of toy examples. Then you point it at your job hunt. 40 companies tracked, every application, every follow-up, every deadline, managed by the system you built, and it all becomes a portfolio recruiters actually find. A polished repository, a profile that links to running proof, searchable, clickable, undeniable. Now picture the interview. You open your laptop, turn it toward the panel, and say, "Let me show you." Watch them lean in. The math is brutal. 500 applicants. 400 identical. 5 with proof. 6 seconds on a resume. 20 minutes on a repo. 1 candidate recites. 1 demonstrates. You already know who gets the offer. Take the readiness sprint and find out where you stand today. The link is below. 20 minutes, 1 score, a clear next step. Placement season won't wait, and now you know it doesn't have